घुटने नहीं टेक सकता, हार नहीं सकता। मैं भगवान का दास हूँ, अविनाशी का बच्चा हूँ, तो गिरा नहीं सकते। कितनी बार गिराओगे, जितनी बार गिराओगे उतनी बार हम बलवान हो।
It's 7:52 a.m. and 29 October. So from here I am starting 3 cycle of 5 hours and 1 cycle of 4 hours, sorry. Let's start. So it's 8:49 and completed with 14 rounds. 1 hour has been completed. Let's see. It's 9:49 actually, and I have just now completed 15 rounds. More to go. I'm not taking a rest that I have decided now. 10:47 and I'm completed with 15 rounds. 15 by 1 by 2. 11:49 and I'm completed with 13 round. Unfortunately, you can't see at all to me. It's 12:38 and I'm done with the 11th round. Now I'm going to rest for 20 minutes, just yoga and stretching, so that I can continue another 6 hours, 5 hours. Just look at this situation of the door. I can imagine this. Can you see all this area going to be swollen and going to give me a severe pain? It has started now, but who cares? It's 1-4 and I'm starting second cycle of 5 hour. First one is finished and I've took the break of 17 minutes where I done Shirshasana, Sarvangasana, so that I can relieve my stress and my mind. 2-3 and I'm done with the first hour of second cycle of 5 hour and with 16 rounds of the ground. Going continue. I'm in stress. Who says I'm not? A lot. But that doesn't mean छोड़ दूँ बीच में. 14:57 hours. I'm completed with 15 and a half round. And this is second hour of second cycle of 5 hour. 15:59 and I'm done with this 3 hour, I think 3 hour and with 16 rounds. Left with 2 hours, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. It's 17:00 hours and completed with 14. That was it. My whole face is just filled with dirt. Left with 1 hour off to finish the second cycle of 5 hours. Let's see. It's 17:55 hours. I'm done with 15.5 that round. I was interpreted by this guard. He was saying you can't do that and that, but still I managed to tolerate him. समझाया उन्हें अच्छे से and started again. With this second cycle of my this 5 hours completed, now I remain with 2 cycle of 5 hours and 1 is of 4 hours. 18:17 hours, although I have started 18:15, but I didn't record it. But I'll start from here only, and this will be the third cycle of 5 hours. 19:15 hours and I'm completed with 14 this circle, but right now I'm literally exhausted, literally, but I'm keep on doing. The thing is going in my mind is like a lot of fear. अभी क्या हो जाए, ये क्या हो जाए, वो हो जाए, ये हो जाए, ये वो. This is what happening. But still I am continuing it. So it's 2017 and actually I have completed 13 rounds somehow. As I am right now feeling so much worse as because of night or as I am exhausted or whatever. I don't know. My family is calling out lene something like that. They are too worried. I have decided if I left this thing here, it will gonna make me regret when I'll go to my bed. It will gonna not for today, but each and every single day. It will never let me get up. So I've decided करना तो आज ही है भाई. अब जो भी हो, चाहे 2 साल बाद कर रहे हो एकदम से, ये करना आज है. जो होगा देखा जाएगा. Okay, thank you. It's 22:11 hours and I'm completed with 14 that round. I'm literally exhausted and my leg are making me actually feel that we can't because there is so much pain, there is so much soreness in the muscle of the toe muscle of the this leg, upper leg. Still I am going, still I am doing and I am will do it. अगर यहाँ छोड़ा तो इससे ज़्यादा गिल्ट ज़िंदगी भर होगा. It's 23:06 hours and I'm done with 11 rounds. Actually I'm literally exhausted and I don't want give up here, and I'm remained with almost 5, 6, 7, 8 hours. So I'm going to do a yoga stretching a lot so that my respiratory system can come again into the same formation. Okay, I'm back. It's 23:28 hours and I have started with last cycle of 5 hours, completed all 3 of them. Now let's see कहाँ तक जाते हैं, कहाँ क्या करते हैं. Thank you. Okay, it is 12:23 and I'm done with 11.5 round. Now it will going to be second hour of last 5 hour cycle. Okay, thank you. 117 hours and I'm completed with 14 and a half this round. Yeah, I'm keep on it. I'm doing it. You know what hurdle comes in your life? What happens today? 2 of the guard came and I saw the fear in them. They tried to say you can't do so much practice for a longer time. I said, why can't I? Whatever will happen, I will see myself. I will take whole responsibility of that. What I did, I took their fear actually and burn it inside me to erase that hopeless I was feeling since evening. Okay, it's 1:20. Look at my eyes. I am done with the 12 rounds and I am finished with the second hour of last 5 hour cycle and keep going still. 2:38 hours and I am done with 15 rounds. More to go now. 3:20. Wait a second. It's 3:23 a.m. and I have completed 14 rounds and I think it is 4:50. I think 2 hour. I am left with 2 hours to finish this 5 hour cycle. Or maybe just my mind is not working. I'll look into it. It's 4:26 a.m. and I'm done with 16.5 round. I'm literally in a pain which is actually trying to do best so that I can take a rest. But somewhere now I'm getting very much energetic as soon as I'm reaching to the that 750, I'm realizing कि बहुत पास है 750, so I'm just energizing. Okay, thank you. Okay, it's 5:25 a.m. in the morning, and I'm done with 13 rounds and left with 2 hours more to complete 24 hours. Let's see. Okay, it's 17:18 a.m. actually, and मैंने 5:30 से जो ये 7 बजे तक था, I just did a yoga, just some meditation and a stretching so that my whole body can be relaxed, my legs can get a oxygen and my chest too, so that I could have so much awareness to make a decision and go home. Right now my situation is literally worse, literally. And further I want you to see the actual video which I wanted to.